exactly is with Amankona as a players in Obi improve on Kwade. You the free Chelsea buy as a call from
Yeah, let me use the backdoor approach. I think with respect to the players doing well, I'm happy they are doing well.
Credit to you.
Yeah, I'm a development coach. I'm a youth coach. So no wonder people like you and others, with all due respect, when I was coming, you thought that a youth coach or a coach from academia doesn't fit into Kotoko. But I've come and I'm working. So I don't know how you are going to tell the narrative again that, I mean, somebody who is a youth coach cannot coach. We brought in players from Division 2, players from nowhere, and if you've actually followed football, it takes time for players to disabuse their belief and knowledge about how football is played to accept a new one. But within this shortest period of time, we've been able to do that. Right from our first game against Dreams up to this time, it has never changed. I don't want to take the credit. I want to give the credit to the players. They have been very obedient. They have been very humble. They have been very purposeful. In fact, the level of respect they give to me, I am even amazed, and I want to commend them. For Amankona, as I said, you see, you can force a horse to the riverside, but you can't force him to drink. The structures are there. We are training. It is up to him to up his game. Once you up your game, you play. And me, if you have observed my team, I don't believe in names. Agadas was on the bench. I remember having a one-on-one with him, and he was like, why is he not playing? I said, you don't do the right things. My game model, the principles in the game model, you don't want to go by them. You want to go by the old way of playing, so you don't fit in. So, to me, it has been a good period, and I'm sure that if we keep it this way, and then we try to augment the team in the near future, I think Kotoko will be better than we are seeing today. But once again, I want to use this platform to commend the players for how they have accepted me, the respect they have given to me, the humility they've shown towards me, and the dedication towards work. It's amazing. I can't even believe it, and I'm grateful to them.
Right.